Hey guys, it's Jeff with Terrain 4x4 Adventures. Coming to you today with a video on a couple of products that I've been using and one that I'm using for the first time that I just want to share with you on keeping the van looking nice. So one of the biggest challenges with keeping this van clean is the plastic trim here just seems to get real faded fast, and so let me show you what I've been applying. So this is a product that I've been using for quite a while. It's Chemical Guys VRP Vinyl Rubber and Plastic Protectant, and it does a good job. And I just apply this with a sponge after I wash the van. The only challenge that I have with it is it doesn't last for a long time. So it looks great, you know, maybe for a month after I wash the van, maybe a couple weeks, depending on the conditions I'm in. But I just tried something new today and wanted to share that with you and kind of show you the initial results. So here's what I'm applying today. Solution Finish Black Trim Restore. Says it brings black back. So I found this on the Revel group. Someone mentioned it, and in their post they said it will last for like 6 months. Tiny bottle that it comes in. I was really surprised when I got this sent out, but you just apply a small amount to a microfiber sponge. But first you need to clean everything down with alcohol to get the surfaces nice and clean before you apply it. So I just picked up a spray bottle and have been wiping this on before applying the solution. It's kind of hard to see in the bright sunlight, but this is what my trim looks right now. It's really dull. Not looking good at all. And then as we come around here, this is what it looks like after I've applied this new solution. So it looks amazing right now. So we'll see if this lasts 6 months, but right now, first impressions are pretty good. It does take quite a bit longer to use this application than what I was using before, but it's worth it if it's going to last 6 months. So, and then also if you're looking for a good bug remover, oh my goodness, this stuff, 3M bug remover 103, this stuff is absolutely amazing. Just squirts them on, gently scrub it, and the bugs come right off. So the instructions say just to apply a small amount to a microfiber sponge and then rub it in. It's kind of a thick substance. Not quite a gel, but definitely. And it pours out, kind of looks like black ink. So yeah, as you can tell, this process does take a bit more muscle, a bit more time. But again, if it's, I only need to do this every 6 months, I'm okay with that. Oh, my van is a mess. All right, and then we just kind of wipe off the excess of the microfiber cloth. Get it all smoothed out. We're good to go. All right, so there you have it. Some of the products I'm using. I'm not sponsored by any of these guys. This is just tips I picked up from the various Facebook groups. And so I'll probably come back in a couple months and just report back how this is held up, whether it's maintained its nice looks or whether it's gone dull again. So again, the process is quite a bit longer. Again, you got to clean it off with alcohol first before applying this solution. So that takes a bit, and then just applying it takes a bit of muscle just to get it all in there and get a nice even finish. And then once you've applied it, you just want to wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. But yeah, it looks great so far. All right, there you go. Hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon. Take care, guys.